Hey guys, welcome back to Farm Life. Today I'm going to be showing you my turkey, chicken, whatever it is. And I have some food here that we're going to feed him. So right now I'm just walking over there. The donkeys and the cows are looking at us. They're probably wanting food. But I have food for the turkey, not for them. So there's the coop. We only have one. We have our dog, but we only have one. It's right here. Turkey. There he is. I don't know if you guys can see him, but I'm gonna put some food. It's food! I just poured in some food. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a turkey eating some food. Sorry, it's really sunny out today. Hey, you're famous. You're gonna be famous, turkey. Eat, you're gonna be famous. But he's in there. I don't know if you guys can see. I put it on a bird's eye view angle. But he's up here. We're about to get rid of him, sadly, so you won't be seeing him in any other videos. Yeah, but this is my first video doing farm life, so please don't hate on me if this is bad quality. Alright, let's go check up on the donkeys and the cows. Come here, donkeys. I don't have anything for them to eat. We actually just fed them. So, but one of our dogs, Maggie! Maggie! No! Ooh, Maggie! Maggie! Woo! Woo! Yeah, but here's our donkeys. Maggie, no. And cows. Hi! Hi, baby. Yeah, but here's one of our donkeys. This is Reese's. This is Reese's right here. Say hi, Reese's. Hey! Come here. So back there is her baby Snickers. Come here, Snickers. Come here, Snickers. Come here, Snickers. Well, she's too afraid to move, but yeah. And then over here we have two more donkeys. Oh, this one's coming over. Hi, baby. It's okay. But, look here. Yeah, there's that one. And then her baby is over there. Look. She's so cute. And then in the background we have the cows. Oh my goodness, they're so close. Aww. Yeah, you have to be very gentle with baby donkeys. See, this one knows me. Yeah, I give you food, don't I? Huh, Snickers, I give you food. Maggie! And here's Mama. There's your baby right over there. So cute. He's so fluffy. I've never actually, oh my goodness, trying to eat it. But yeah, yeah. And then in the background we got some noisy cows. Noisy cows. I love our animals. Maggie, cut it out. Maggie keeps trying to get in their cage, and every time she gets kicked. So, that baby back there is really shy. Very shy. Over there we got the cow. Stop mooing at me! All of our farm animals. I'll be doing videos like feeding videos. We usually give them like apples, oranges, bananas, pears. They eat a lot of things. Cookies. They eat cookies. Don't you eat some cookies? Maggie! You know you're gonna get kicked. But yeah, here's our farm. Very nice, very settled. I think I might get a hamster for Christmas. So I think what we're gonna do is every day I'm gonna give them a special treat, huh? But I'm not here very often, so today is just the introduction of Snickers, Reese's, other two donkeys, I can't remember their names, the cows, and Maggie! Maggie! And obviously the turkey that's gonna leave. But that's all for today's video. I hope you go check out one of my other videos. Say bye, Maxies! Bye!